Hey there, Darwin here. Welcome back to the Toady Workshop. I was going to say Spryberry Farm because we're back at Spryberry Farm. Scott's got an idea. He needs to run a power line up to the back of the farm for the house they want to build. And he has to take some trees down through the route that the line's going to go through. And it has to go through this section here. It's really brushy. He's had a hard time trying to figure out a straight line. So he's asked a friend Derek to come with his drone and see if we can track the line with the drone, and he can follow the drone through the woods while it's flying above. So we're gonna try it out.
Back to you, straight, slow, and I just follow it, and that'll get our angle. I think just pull in the edge of the field and park, and we'll walk.
I can see you. You're right under him.
Am I going in the right line? Am I still doing good?
A bit to your left.
Okay. Yeah.
If you go over to that, you're right on line.
Okay. You see me?
Yep.
Clear?
Yep.
Wow, looks like getting to you. Okay.
So the drone idea didn't work, so we're gonna try and do it manually again. Scott's tried this already. It's just, when you get in there, there's a lot of brush, you get turned around, and it's hard to find a straight line with contours of the terrain and whatnot. So maybe two of us, it's gonna work. We'll try it out.
So we'll just walk back, take out, if you walk with me, then we'll have two brains thinking, oh, this
I'm
way.
lost already.
So take away the markers that I did, and then shift to the west and retie them. So I think what I need to do, you want to be to the right of that tree there, right?
Yes. Oh, here's one. Yeah, we're trying to find the old, trying to find the pink tags that Scott's put on, but they're a little hard to find. They're bright. There's so much color in here right now.
Let's go.
All right. Pardon?
I started putting it in much more frequently. But this is where,
Right.
I got off.
Yeah.
Out of the woods.
Well, it's hard to find a route. That you can actually bushwhack through. You almost want a machete.
This is where the drone was way over there.
Yeah.
I didn't put nearly as many in. I don't even see the next one. Oh, I do.
That's a stand of big trees.
Well, yeah, all that birchy stuff. It's like that big one that fell on the path in the back where he cut up and moved out of the way.
Yeah.
See why I couldn't hear the drone?
No, it's so windy.
There's no way you can hear the drone.
It's a nice bit of hardwood in here.
There's some. Where do you see?
Just all around, like as opposed to that scrub stuff
Oh, yeah.
up ahead.
A lot of it's the little things. And once these come down, they'll fill in.
We're gonna try and reestablish the line
You give me advice if you
roughly. It gets a bit thick here. Do you see the dead tree, the root? Yeah. Oh, so I think you got to bear a little bit right.
Right. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Hit the roots over that way. I'm falling behind Scott. He's leaving these like it's like Hansel and Gretel. His way through the woods.
For this, you're heading for that tree right there.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I think this is good. Goodish.
Oh, it's a. Are there leaves still up there? Oh no, not off this tree.
That's a good one. You want to come this way, I think, right?
I do.
Might be a bit of a turn.
I know.
If I look back, almost take those two off and then bring it this way.
Maybe this way a little way.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. This is where we want it to be. I think it worked.
The reality is, they'll put the poles in the field, and if they have to adjust a little bit, unfortunately that one's going to have to come out. That one's dead. That's an axe, so that's dead. Perfect. I'm very pleased.